Okay, one last thing about Sketch. Sketch is really good. You've got to use it for all sorts of cool things. I'm going to make a primitive to start with, and here's a primitive. I'll give it a box, just have it as the standard size. Click to activate it, right mouse click to orbit around it. I'm going to zoom in using my middle mouse wheel and pan across by holding my middle mouse wheel down and pulling across. So I want to look at it face on. What I'm going to do now is actually make a sort of shape or a sketch on this surface, and to do that I go up to the sketch tools and I'll start with just a standard polyline. The first thing that I have to do is specify what I'm going to put the sketch on, so I click on the face of the box, there it is. Then I have to specify where I want to start, so I specify there. So it's kind of process, it's a bit weird but it's all process. And now I'm just going to drag up, click once, change direction, drag down, click again. I'll make sort of a hillside shape like that, and then I'm just going to stop there. Okay, and I'm going to go over to there and exit the sketch. Okay, so there's my sketch on there, but it doesn't go right to the edge of the box, which is not really a problem. But what I'm going to do is finish that off with, say, a arc, just to show you that you can add to a sketch. So back up here, over to 3-point arc, down here specify the part that I want to start with, so I click there, then I click again to start the arc, then click again to stop it, and then click for the third time to put in the actual arc. So click there, that's done. Back over to here to exit the sketch. Okay, so now I think you can see it there, you've got this sketched line on the surface of our object. Okay, the next step is to go up to this modify area, and we're going right across over to here, and we're going to use that sketch that we've made to split the solid. So I'll click that and click on body to split. The body is the bit that we want to split, so we want to split the box. The splitting entity is this piece here. When you click that, it should go red like that to show where it's actually going to go. So it gives you an idea of what's going to happen. Then you simply press enter and it's all finished. Now if I click the top piece, I can hit delete, and that's gone, and we're left with this. One last thing, remember your sketch gets left behind. So if I select this object now, Control T, and push it over there, you're left with the sketch behind it, which could be quite handy because you might want to use it to chop out another piece. So that's that one. That's using Sketch to split a face, which we'll probably do in one of our projects.